In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a task a subtask on Todoist. This will help you keep your to-do list cleaner and more organized by breaking bigger tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the Todoist website. You'll be greeted with the Todoist dashboard where all your projects and tasks are housed. If you haven't logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and click on Inbox. The inbox is where all your tasks and quick brainstorms are initially captured. It's essentially the dumping ground for your tasks before you decide where they fit into your overall system. Now, browse through your list of tasks and choose one that you'd like to make a subtask. It's crucial to pick something that logically fits under another task or project. Once you've selected the right task, click on it to reveal its details. You'll see 3 tiny dots at the top right corner. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Copy Link to Task. This step allows you to use the task link elsewhere, which will be important when we reposition it as a subtask. Once you've copied the link, you can close this task view. Next, we need to determine where this task fits as a subtask. So head back to the sidebar and click on My Projects. Scroll through your projects and choose the one where you'd like to nest your new subtask. Click on your chosen project to open it. Inside the project, identify the main task you want to associate the subtask with. Click on the main task to open its details. Look for Add Subtask at the bottom section of the task details page and click on it. A new entry field will open up where you can input the subtask details. Paste the task link you copied earlier into this field. This links your original task as a subtask under the main task you chose. Once you've pasted the link, complete any additional details you'd like to incorporate, such as due dates or priority levels. When you're satisfied, click Add Task. Congratulations, you have successfully made your existing task a subtask. This change simplifies the flow of your to-do board and helps maintain a proper hierarchy of needs for more efficient task management. By organizing your tasks this way, you maintain a structured approach to completing your projects, making sure no detail goes overlooked. Hopefully, this tutorial has been straightforward and informative. Now go ahead and streamline your Todoist tasks, and as always, keep productivity at the forefront.